This video is going to show you how to use BRIA, which is our soft phone, and this is how you will receive and make phone calls with customers. So this is the BRIA interface, which will be installed onto your computer. And I'll just go through a little bit about the interface here. This is the keypad on the screen. And then if you click on this icon here, this is where you can add contacts and set up other staff members so that you can easily transfer calls to them and also make calls to them if you need to. There's a favorites tab here if you want to add favorites. And then here's the history tab of all the history of your calls, both incoming and outgoing. So the first thing I'll do is show you how to place a call, and I'm just going to call myself. And so that's how you do it. You can just type the number in there, push on the green make a call button, and then the call will go through. So then in just a couple seconds, we should see another pop-up box on my screen. Here it is, saying that there's an incoming call. And so I'm going to answer this call. Once the call is connected, you can speak to the customer, and when you're ready to hang up, you would just click on this red end call button. So we're currently on a phone call now, and so I'll just show you how you can do a couple things while you're on the phone. If you need to put the customer on hold because you need to check on something with someone else in the office, you can put that customer on hold by clicking this hold button, and they'll get some nice hold music to listen to while you are sorting out their issue or getting more information that's needed. If you need to transfer the call to someone else in the office, what you can do is transfer by clicking on this transfer call. And let's say we want to transfer this call to Joe. So I've got Joe saved in my contact list, and I would just select him. And so you have a couple different options here. So you can transfer the call now, which means this call will go straight to Joe and you won't have any conversation with Joe. Joe will just get the call and it will be the customer on the line. If you need to speak to Joe before transferring the customer, what you can do is select this little downward arrow and click on call first. That will actually put the customer on hold and it will call Joe so that you can talk to Joe and just let Joe know a little bit about, the details about the customer that you're about to transfer to him so that he has a heads up before he gets the call from the customer. So you would just click on that call first and it would go to Joe, talk to Joe, and then you would click to transfer through to the call. And then if you just want to send the customer straight through to Joe, you just click on that transfer now. Additionally, you can add others to the call by clicking these three dots and invite them to a conference call. So you would select this and then enter the phone number to dial in, and that would create a conference. And you can also merge calls. If you're on another call, you can merge the two calls together by selecting this option. If you ever need to record the call, you can start call recording by selecting this. So once you're all done with the customer and everything is all sorted, just end the call by clicking on end call, and that is that. And then you go back to the keypad, and if you get any other incoming calls, you'll get the little pop-up box on your desktop, and you can just place calls as you need to when you need to. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask your manager.